TERI, the Energy and Resources Institute, has a lot of faith in the potential of the youth and the young people. We have to be united with them, we have to work with them, and the way to do so is through education for sustainable development. What we do is that we design a lot of new experiments, we do a lot of citizen science, we do a lot of competition-based involvement, because at the end of it, we have to reach to all the young people of the country. And with the burgeoning population of 66% of youth in the country, institutions like TERI have to be united in education initiatives that we are doing. TERI has a lot of thematic expertise in all areas of environment, including climate change, sustainable agriculture, waste, water, urban infrastructure, and it will be a missed opportunity to not conduct meaningful education projects around these areas to impact the schools and colleges of the country. Hence, education for sustainable development is very, very essential, and this is what we take a lot of pride in doing at TERI. If we examine the Union Budget of 2024, what we see that the budget allocated for education also covers the skills and infrastructure and empowerment segment. And this is exactly the translation of education for sustainable development work at TERI. Till we join ourselves with youth, till we skill them for new opportunities, till we make them market ready for new jobs, our tasks are half done. And this is the strength of ESG work, and that is why we work with schools, colleges, and youth of the country. Examining education for sustainable development under the lens of sustainability is actually translating it to the global concept. While awareness is created on global opportunities, the action comes home, and the action is within India, in the towns, the districts, the cities of the country. And the ESG projects done by TERI cover all states and union territories of the country, and we are able to improvise and create very, very effective campus community impacts that can be translated into direct action. And this is the strength of the ESG work. Green Olympiad is TERI's premier experimentation in the field of environment education, and it is also India's premier environment education Olympiad. The effectivity of Green Olympiad is very well noted within the principles of national education policy, where we are confidently saying that we need to create such opportunities to open up students to exposures in the environment field. Green Olympiad is conducted by TERI for the last 25 years, and currently the registrations for Green Olympiad have been announced, which will be over by 31st August 2024. Here is an opportunity to put your awareness to knowledge to an examination format in your vernacular languages, comprehending the lessons taught to you within the textbooks. Significant developments in the country, including Mission Life at a global forum, the Global Education, GCED, they are all a part of the Green Olympiad. Green Olympiad is just not an examination, it is actually a way of living. And this way of living is also getting translated in inculcating value education, in inculcating a passion for environment, and making students more and more aware about the environment all around them. The examination is held for schools, for colleges, for universities, and line ministries like Ministry of Education, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, University Grant Commission, State Education Boards. They all have endorsed this examination, and it sort of magnifies the impact and importance of Green Olympiad in the life of the children and youth of the country.